Hello and welcome. Are you struggling to remember the trigonometric values for common angles? Like this table here? What if I told you your hand could be the ultimate cheat sheet? In this video, I will show you a simple hand trick to memorize trigonometric values in seconds. No more stress, no more formulas. Just use your hand and a little maths magic. Let's dive in. First, hold your left hand open, palm facing you, so like in the figure below here. So then assign the angles to each finger. So the thumb is representing 0 degree, index 30 degree, the middle one 45 degree, the ring finger is representing 60 degree, and the little finger is 90 degree. To find the sine for the given angle theta, count the number of fingers below that finger. Then take the square root of that number and divide by 2. So sine of theta is always equals to the square root of finger below divided by 2. For example, let's find the sine of 30 degree. So as you see the sine of 30 degree, so the number of finger below this finger here is 1. So we put the square root of 1 divided by 2. So which is 1 over 2. Similarly, you can try for sine of 60 degree, which is the number of finger below the ring finger here is 1, 2, 3, which is equals to the square root of 3 divided by 2. For cosine of the given angle theta, just count the number of fingers above that finger and take a square root of that number and divide by 2. So which is given by the square root of fingers above divided by 2. For instance, cosine of 45 degree, which is the number of fingers above this finger, the middle one is 1, 2, so which is the square root of 2 divided by 2. Similarly, you can get the cosine of 90 degree. So as you see here, there is no finger above this finger here, so which is the square root of 0 divided by 2, which is 0. For tangent of the given angle theta, you just divide the sine value by the cosine value, or you can use your hands, which is the square root of the fingers below divided by the square root of fingers above, which is, for example, tan of 45 degree is the fingers below the 1, 2, so which is the square root of 2 divided by the fingers above on the 1, 2, which is the same as square root of 2, which is 1. You can compute also tan of, let's say, 60 degree. So the number of fingers below this ring, the ring finger is 1, 2, 3, so which is the square root of 3 divided by the number of fingers above this one, which is 1, which is square root of 3. If you are looking more tricks, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.